everybody, I'm Nick here at Seizmik to talk to you today about our new wiper washer kit for hard-coated polycarbonate windshields. Let's go take a look at what's inside the box. Okay, so the kit comes with an ABS housing to protect the motor assembly, a 2-speed motor which features 110 degrees of motion and an auto park feature we'll look at a little bit later, a steel backing plate with 4 vibration isolation bumpers, a 14-inch standard automotive style wiper blade, 4 spray nozzles which can be independently adjusted, various fittings, 16 feet of hose, and a 1.5 quart reservoir. Finally, we've got the 2 wiring harnesses, rocker switch to engage the motor, and a momentary push button switch to activate the washer motor. So why don't we go back to the vehicle and we'll take a look at some of these features in action. So this kit is again for hard-coated polycarbonate windshields. Please don't try to install it on an acrylic or a glass windshield. Hard-coated polycarbonate windshields only. The polycarbonate will allow us to drill the 2 holes that are required to mount this thing onto the windshield. It needs to be hard-coated, otherwise with a few passes of the blade, it's going to scratch it up. So again, hard-coated polycarbonate windshields only. It's got 2 speeds. Got our low speed and our high speed. And when turned off, it'll go back up to the high position, a quick toggle of the motor, and it parks it way up high and out of the way. We have our button to activate the washer motor. So you can do that independently of the motor or the wiper arm running. So if you've got a lot of debris, mud, dirt, filth, it'll help wash that off before you actually activate the wiper arm. So again, low, there's our high, there's park, and there's park high. Okay, so moving to the outside of the vehicle to take a quick look at some of the features. The kit does come with that 14-inch automotive style wiper blade. Blade can be replaced with any standard automotive wiper blade. We also have 4 nozzles included with the kit. Those nozzles, the spray pattern can be independently adjusted. We've decided to run 2 low. You could also run 2 low and 2 high to really flush dirt and grime off the windshield, or run 2 on the windshield and 1 on each of your headlights. No matter what, the kit's got enough hose and fittings to give you a variety of ways to set it up.